Welcome class 10. Today's topic is earthing. In order to have a proper earthing or grounding, you have to dig uh, the ground, a hole in the ground almost like 2 to 3 feet, okay? And there you need a copper rod, okay, or it can be a thick copper wire which is kept inside an insulating pipe, okay, something like this. And this pipe is kept inside the hole attached with this kind of thick copper plate. Okay, so the whole assembly looks like this. Okay, the copper plate is down here and the copper wire or copper rod is placed inside this insulating wire, okay, insulating pipe. So this whole assembly is inserted in that hole, okay, and it is covered by charcoal and bags of salt, and the system looks like this, where this is your earthing plate, okay, and this is the mixture of charcoal and salt, and here there should be a funnel so that water can be kept inside, so that this area, this portion does not become dry. Okay, this must be moist inside the earth so that it can conduct the electricity and it can pass it to the earth or ground. So here inside this one, the earth wire from the kilowatt hour meter is connected, and this goes inside the the pipe, and it should be connected with the copper plate, okay, and this is inside the ground. Okay, so this is how the earthing is done. Need to do earthing. If due to any reason, if there is a short circuit and some excess current flows through the line wires, okay, then the earthing helps direct or pass the excess amount of current directly to the ground. Okay, so this way it may protect the flow of excess current in the appliances, or also we can say that if there is excess flow of current, it will pass to earth through the earth wire and protect the line wires and other appliances from getting overheated. Okay, and this may result in fire. So you can see over here in the picture that if earthing is done properly, then the excess amount of current will directly flow through the earthing wire and it reaches the ground. Okay, so that there is no such accident. There is no such accident which may happen because of overheating of the appliances and which may cause fire. Earthing of an appliances, okay, any appliance like refrigerator, electric iron, water boiler, toaster, geyser, these are the appliances that we use, televisions, okay, also the computers. See over here, this is how the earthing is done. This is the appliance, okay, this is the live wire, a fuse is kept, as we have already discussed about how the the live wire is connected, the switch is there, it connects with the appliance, and the neutral wire also gets connected with the appliance. Okay, the appliance is shown over here with the resistance. Okay, some work is being done by the appliance. Now the metallic body of this appliance, okay, has been connected with the earth wire. All right, so this E denotes the earth wire. Okay, so this is how the connection is done for any appliance. Okay, the earthing is done in the metallic surface, okay, of the appliance. Now suppose if there is no earthing, okay, there is no earthing, only the live wire and the neutral wire gets to the appliance and there is no earthing, and by any chance there is a leakage of current in the metallic case of the appliance, then while operating this appliance, a person can get a fatal electric shock if he accidentally touches the appliance, the body of the appliance, because there might be any leakage of that electric current on the body. As it is metallic, okay, it will conduct the electricity. Okay, so if there is no earthing done, that means the flow of current will be on the surface of this metallic case, and hence when the person will touch the appliance, he may get a fatal electric shock. But if it is connected with an earth wire, okay, if there is any leakage of the current in the metallic case, this appliance, this current will pass through the earth wire, reaches the ground, and if there is any shortage or short circuiting, then the fuse will blow off and there will be no current which can, which will be there in the metallic case. So if a person touches in this case also, you will not get any electric shock because the fuse has blown out and the circuit is no more connected with the live wire. So in this way, the earthing helps to protect the appliance. Also, it may, prevent such accidents to happen. So this is the best benefit of having the earth wire connected properly in the ground. Okay, so with this we come to an end of our video. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.